Hi guys, hello beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're doing well. Today I'm coming to you with an unboxing, review and modeling of Moncler Chouelle puffer. It is going to be a real-time unboxing. I'm doing this for the first time on camera with you guys. And this is the most popular and the best-selling Moncler jacket of 2021. I haven't been doing any videos for a while because we were out of state. We lived in Colorado for a month and a half. My husband was working there and we've been skiing, like downhill and cross country. This is the most amazing experience ever. And for sure it's something to remember for many years. Before we jump into the unboxing, this is the perfect time to hit the subscribe button, and also please follow me on Instagram. I have made several Moncler videos so far, so please check out my channel. And also I post pictures of me wearing Moncler jackets or coats on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's jump into unboxing. And, so inside you see a Louis London shopping bag. Here is the jacket. Oh gosh, it's shiny. Wow. So the jacket features high neck stand collar. It has a two-way zipper, two zip pockets. Also, the jacket has velvet panel at shoulders and also a velvet logo on the sleeve. It has adjustable cord at the bottom, and it comes with two cinchers on the side, so you can adjust the jacket from both sides. So at the back you see screaming letters saying Moncler. If I lose the adjustable cord, this is how the jacket looks like. So it's very boxy and square. So the sleeves are long, however if you measure them from the armpit, yeah, this is the right length. It's very short. If I raise my arms, this is how high it jumps. So what do you guys think about this jacket? Do you like it? What is your first impression? I'm confused. I don't know. I think it's too loud. It looks okay from the front and from the back. I don't like the side view though. It's so weird. I look like a balloon, you know. Yeah, it makes you look kind of puffy and, you know. Yeah, it is a puffer. Honestly, I don't know if I should keep this jacket. I don't know. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and take care.